Don't you hate it when you're on your second favourite Simpsons Hit and Run modding website, Donut Team, but every time you have to go download something or just follow a link, it takes you to the annoying safety tunnel that treats you like you have never been on the internet before you can actually go to the link. That's even if it lets you go to the link at all, because sometimes it breaks the community guidelines. Oh no. Or sometimes the website is perfectly fine, but Donut Team just don't like it. Well, we've made a way to get around that. First of all, you want to install Tamper onto your browser, and then you're going to go to this link on Greasy Fork, and you're going to just click install. And as you can see, it has all of the source code here, so you can see it's doing nothing malicious and it is perfectly safe. And you're just going to click install, or in my case, reinstall. Now once you've done that, it should be installed. And now as you can see, when we want to download a mod, it just takes us straight to the page we're going to. Even the ones that it didn't let us go to in the first place, as you can see, it now takes us straight there. Well, that's if the page is up anymore anyway.